Choosing between Shopify and Etsy for your online business is like picking between building your own dream house or renting a prime spot in a bustling market. Both can be amazing, but they serve very different dreams. Let's dive into the core of it. Control. Shopify gives you the keys to your kingdom. You're building your own independent brand from the ground up. This means complete control over your website's design, branding, and customer experience. Think custom domain names, your logo everywhere, and a look that's uniquely yours. On the flip side, Etsy is a curated marketplace. You're essentially renting a stall within a thriving, built-in community of buyers specifically looking for unique and handmade items. While this offers instant visibility, your store's design and branding will largely conform to Etsy's established aesthetic. Now, let's talk about the nitty-gritty fees. Shopify has a monthly subscription fee, plus transaction fees. If you don't use their payment gateway, the more you sell, the more you might pay in transaction fees, but you get robust sales tools and marketing integrations as part of the package. Etsy's fee structure is different. You'll pay a small listing fee for each item, which renews every few months, and a percentage of the sale price, plus a payment processing fee. While seemingly lower per transaction, these can add up, especially for high-volume sellers. Who are you trying to reach? Etsy excels at attracting buyers actively seeking vintage, handmade, craft supplies, and unique collectibles. It's a destination for discovery. If your products fit this niche, Etsy's built-in audience is a huge advantage. Shopify, however, is for a broader audience. You can sell almost anything €1 from mass-produced goods to your own unique creations. It's ideal if you're building a brand for a wider market, have a specific target demographic you want to cultivate, and want to manage all your customer interactions directly. So, to wrap up, for maximum brand control, unique customization, and the potential to scale a broader business, Shopify is your go-to. If you're focused on handmade, vintage, or craft items and want to tap into an existing niche audience, Etsy offers an accessible entry point. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your products, your brand vision, and your long-term goals. Consider your resources, your target customer, and what level of control you truly desire.